It's actually a pretty good question because I think the default we want is we want to combine them right now for, I don't know why I started doing this, but for reasons I'm recording them separately. Um, I legitimately can't remember why I did that. I think there was a problem with performance, maybe. I don't know if that makes sense. But anyway, for now, I'm recording video and audio separately and then combining them later on uh, in post, as they say. But I think the default that makes sense is to actually combine them at the beginning. I think that's what most people want in most cases. So maybe this text box here doesn't necessarily make sense, or it doesn't make sense for it to be tied to audio. I'd like to be able to have a delete button for this and an add button to add more audio devices to get like desktop audio, for instance, but that's not really my priority at the moment. Oh, we can get rid of that launched a new thread. We can get rid of that. And in widgets, we can get rid of that. Freeing the text to do, yeah, yeah, that'd be nice. Do I not free it? That's pretty good. Ooh, comments. Oh yeah, these are the ticks in the text box. I remember that. Move, main copy, do a realloc. Oh, we just realloc, we don't. Interesting. I think realloc freeze if it does a move. Hmm. I don't think it says. To a possibly moved object. If pointer is not null, must be a pointer to. We should square that away right now. Realloc free old memory if moved. If moves, whatever. The documentation states that if the area pointed to was moved, really? Whoops. Malloc options, not what I'm after. I'm not sure about that. The example doesn't do it. Diagnostics, yeah, whatever. Yeah, I thought it invalidated the old one, but it doesn't say that. If the new size is larger, the value of the newly allocated portion of the object, yeah, that's fine. If the size cannot be allocated, the object returned pointer by pointer is unchanged. If pointer is null, realloc behaves like malloc. That's great. That's woefully unspecified. When using realloc, be careful to avoid the following idiom. Do not adjust the variable describing how much memory has been allocated until the allocation has been successful. Yeah. I gotcha. The value of null indicates the old object still remains allocated. Yeah, I mean, by implication, I think it deals with it. Where are we? We're here. And what are we trying to do? We're trying to deal with options because... Yeah, because I would like to set them. I don't think that's actually the most important thing right now because I mean, I would like to get that done, but for my own personal use, I'm just going to be keeping them the same. Though I think I do need to move this out of the audio console. Because I think this, at least for now, this is going to specify the final output, which will be both audio and video. So I think we're actually maybe onto capturing video. Because I think the audio is fine. No, filters. I actually want filters. Yeah, no. That's something I do want. I mean, I can process it in Pro, and I will have to process it in Post, frankly, but... Yeah, because I want filters both for the video codec and for the audio codec. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this out of the audio console. Well, am I going to do that? Yeah, I will. But I may leave it in there and add in something else as well, because I think what I'm going to do is originally, I believe I was talking about making the audio page first, like this being just the audio page, and then later on, yeah, I can't resize this window, yeah. And then later on, doing just the video page, and then maybe doing the, the monitor page with both of them. But I think in the interest of getting this working and useful, I'm just going to start on the monitor page rather than doing them separately. So I think to that end, we're going to start with video, I think, which means, wow, crazy. But now we'll be closing this documentation. Actually, no, we're still going to need it. And I think it's x.org. That loading bar is my browser being exploited. No, here we go. It is x.org. Documentation. Yeah, I know you do. I'll maybe use XCB. It's woefully underdocumented, but I don't think I want to use xlib. Because I think I want more control over the protocol. I think. I don't know if that's true, but I think I do. Sure. Okay, let's start by doing what we did for audio, which is, well, let's close this. Cool. Which is we had this, in fact, we may still have the function. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, print device info. That's right. We'll keep this around to remove this. We want to do something similar for video. Get rid of that. Before I forget, I actually want to check. Size, maybe? That's not helpful. What is this? VR device info? Cool. Window. Maybe? Yeah, flag window resizable. Yeah. Allow the program to resize so that run the program in full screen. Disable decoration. Hide the window. Maximize. Oh, minimize. Maximize. Yeah, probably. Flag window maximized. Flag window resizable. Sure. Try to enable VSync on GPU. Maybe. I don't know. There's no way this is real, right? And like, what if, you know, the classic Raymond Chan blog? What if two windows are always on top? Raymond Chan. What if two programs always on top? Yeah. Anyway, support high DPI. Well, that'd be nice. I have no way of testing that. Try enabling MSA 4X. Well, I guess this is conceived for video games. I don't need that. All right. Yeah. No, this is good. Let's quickly wrap this. Okay. That's fair. Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. Let's go find it. Window related functions. Here we go. Surprise is not a config option. Flags. Set window state. Only for platform desktop. That's fine. I'm only programming for platform desktop. Let's init window. These don't really matter. Set target FPS. That's fine. Set window state. Can I set multiple at once? I can. Cool. Let's go back here. We want flag window resizable. Ord with I think we want flag window maximized. Flag window maximized. Keep fat triggering that. Are those the only ones I want? Yeah, maybe. Okay. Let's try that. Make. Okay, that worked. Whoops. The resize one didn't. That's interesting. I wonder why. Is that an event I need to handle? A resize event, and then I need to change the X and Y? That would be a little bit of a weird design. I could believe it, but it would be a little bit weird. Maximize window. Very good. Oh, wait, this is window state. Do I need to set it every time? I don't know about that. Set window maximum dimensions. Set window size. I wonder if there's a reason I'm only drawing that size. Because it looks like it's fine here, but then by the time I get to begin drawing, it's not. I'm skeptical of this. Well, okay, yeah, what's, how do I get my X in height? Screen pad X, screen pad Y, get screen width. Oh, the screen is not the same as the window? That's believable. Screen width and height. It considers high DPI. Okay, good for it.